Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as online book recommendation system. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So even in this AI world, books plays a very vital role in gaining more knowledge, but people tend to spend more time in online social network for the entertainment purpose. So our idea is to integrate online social network with the book recommendation system model. So in this project we have developed online book recommendation system which is developed using Java for the programming language, and for the front end we have used JSP, CSS and JavaScript, and for the database we have used MySQL. So the basic idea is to recommend the books to the users. So there are various kinds of recommendation system available, especially many use machine learning models or collaborative filtering kinds of thing. But here our approach is to integrate with the online social network so that the friends can able to recommend the books to their friends whichever they have learned according to their preferences. So the need for this online book recommendation system is because it will be giving a personalized experience to the users, and they can able to have the habit of reading books and they can explore more kinds of books. So the traditional book recommendation system often rely only on automated algorithms, but they lag on the social dimension. But here we are going to not use any kind of machine learning or complex algorithms, just based on the friend's recommendation. The online book recommendation system will be working on it. So coming to the existing system, as I mentioned, there are many existing systems already available. They are based on traditional search methods and standalone recommendation algorithms. This system what do is like a library management software or e-commerce platform. So they'll be having the book websites. The users can see the book, and based on their ratings or the search results, the recommendation will be done. But here now proposed it is not like that. And also in the existing system, the book enthusiasts relied predominantly on traditional methods for discovering new types of books through word of mouth recommendation or by visiting the stores or browsing through the catalog kinds of thing. So all kinds of these existing system details are being elaborated in this existing system part. And coming to the disadvantages of the existing system, the main disadvantages are limited exposure, lack of social interaction, limited personalization, absence of user generated recommendation, dependency on static data, no friendly connectivity, lack of visual insight, difficulty in discovering books. So these are the main limitations of the existing system that has been described elaborately in the disadvantages of the existing system. And coming to the proposed system, so as mentioned, we are going to develop online book recommendation system by integrating the book discovery with the online social network, so that users can able to share their views and they can also receive the book recommendation from their friends. So this system is developed using Java, JSP, CSS, JavaScript and MySQL. So here the two main entities of our system are users and admin. So the user will be registering and they'll be getting the login credentials and they'll be logging into the system. So as a social media network, there will be available friends. They can able to give requests to their friends and they can also accept the friend requests, and after that they can able to search for the books and they can see the books ratings and they can able to give ratings also, and they can recommend the books to their friends, and the friends who got the recommendation can able to see the details of the books and they can explore it in this way. In the admin functionality, we have made options of viewing the user. They can able to see the books available, they can add new books, and they can see the ratings provided by the users. All these details are available in the admin part. So here Coming to the advantages of proposed system, the main advantages are personalized book recommendation, enhanced social connectivity, improved user engagement, easy book discovery, interactive and user-friendly interface, accurate book rating system, admin control management, graphical representation of book ratings, trust-based recommendation, encourages reading habits, all the main advantages of our proposed system. And coming to the system architecture, as mentioned, we'll be having admin and user. Admin can able to add books, view books, they can view the users and ratings, they can able to see the graphical representation. And user part, they can able to find the friends, view the books and rate the books, and they can recommend books, and they can see the view recommendations of the books that is given by their friends, and all this information is stored in the database. So these are the modules of the project, and these are the module description of the project. And these are the system requirements. This is the minimum hardware requirements. And coming to the software requirements, so this project can be executed in Windows 10 or 11. Coding language we have used is Java. Front-end part contains JSP, CSS, JavaScript. JDK version is JDK 23.0.1. IDE tool that we have used is Apache NetBeans IDE 24. Tomcat server, this is Apache Tomcat 9.0.84, and database we have used is MySQL. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open your Apache NetBeans IDE. First you need to load the project into the NetBeans IDE. So just go to the file menu and click open project. Now go into the project source code location. Inside that we have this online book recommendation system. Just select this and click open project. Now kindly wait till the complete project is loaded into the NetBeans IDE. Here you can see the progress of it. Meanwhile, let us attach the database in the MySQL. So just go to the MySQL administrator, log in with the username and password as root and click OK. So now in the left side panel you can see the restore option. Just select this restore option. The right side panel you can see the open backup file. Just select this, and now go to the source code location. Inside that we have the database folder. Inside that we have the database. Just select this and then click start restore. Now you can see the the restore operation was finished successfully message. So now let us close this MySQL part, because we have successfully attached the MySQL database. So coming to the NetBeans IDE, you can see the complete project is now loaded into the NetBeans IDE. Now let us execute it. So just select this and then right click it and then click run. Now kindly wait for a few minutes. Now it asks for the authentication for the Tomcat server. So now you can see the project home screen, or welcome screen with the project title online book recommendation system. So here in the home page you can see the static information with the options of menus, and also you can see the static book names, author name, published year kinds of things. So here, as mentioned, we'll be having the user and the admin. So as I don't have the username and password, so now let us first register. So just go to the registration menu, just click this registration menu. It will be navigated to the registration page, where you need to enter your username, password, your email ID, date of birth, state, country, gender, and your profile information, profile picture. So make sure that profile picture is somewhat in lesser size so that it does not throw any error, and then let us click register. So now I have registered with the username JP. So now let me create a few other users also, because we are going to use online social networking site, so that there may be, it looks like there are some other users also. So quickly let me create other users also. Now I am creating a user called Alice. Now I am creating a user called Bob. So now I am creating a user called Ajit. So now I have created 4 different users. So now let me go to the admin part. So this is the admin login. Let me log in with the credentials of username and password for the admin as admin. Both username and password for the admin is admin only, and then click the login button. So now you can see the login successful. So this is the admin home page. So admin has the option of seeing the user detail, book details, user rating, graph. Let us see all these options one by one. First let me go to the user details. So just click the user details. So now I have created 4 users, the name of JP, Alice, Bob, Ajit. So those details have been shown to the user part. Let me go to the book details. Just select the book details. So once if you click the book details, you can see the book details that is available. So here book ID is ISBN. So every book has a unique ID if the ISBN number that is mentioned as the book ID here, and book title, an author, year of publish, and the publisher. So for example, we are given the book ID ISBN number for this book, that is classical mythology, and you can see the author mark and year of publish 2002 and publisher Oxford University Press. So in this way there are various books available. So here you can see we can add the book option of adding the book also. Let me show you by adding a few books. For example, I'll just enter ISBN number, book title, the Java complete reference, author Herbert, year of publish 2017, and publisher McGraw-Hill Education, and click add book. So now you can see the book is added successfully. Let me scroll down and show you. So now you can see the Java complete reference is added, and that is in the last of it. And let me give another book. So let me give the ISBN number, book title, author, publish, publisher, and add book. So now this book is also added successfully, and let me scroll down and you can see the final book, Python crash course with the ISBN number, author, and the price details has been added successfully. So now we have seen the user details, book details, and let me go to the user rating. Currently we are not given any rating, so there it is empty, and graph part also is empty because they are not given anything. So now let me log out and go to the user part. So let me log in with the first user. Let me log in with the first user JP now. So after logged in successful, you can see the user profile. So this user is JP, so it says welcome JP, the name, email ID, date of birth, location, India, whatever that information given by that user is shown here. For example, let me log out and go to another user, Alice. So if Alice logs into the system, it shows the Alice information, Alice name, email ID, date of birth, what are the information that is given. So now if you go to find friend request part, you can see who are all the users available in this system. So I have created 4 different users, so it is showing all this. So let me give the friend request to JP now. So you can see the friend request is given and it is waiting for approval. I'll just give friend request for the Bob, I'll give friend request for Ajit. So everyone I have given friend request. So now let me log out. Let me log in into the JP system now. JP login into now. So now after login to this account, as we have seen the friend request, you can see the next option, view request. So already Alice has sent a request to JP user. So just if you go to view request, now you can see the request from the user Alice and the profile picture of the user, and you can see confirm or ignore. So once if the user can decide whether they can accept this request or delete the request. So let me confirm this request. So now I have confirmed, so the table is empty now, there is no request, pending request available. So now coming to the important part, search books. So just select the search books. So here in the search books, here you can see the drop down which shows all the ISBN numbers of the book. So now I have added 2 books, that details are also now you can see here, that is added. So let me select this book and click the search icon here. You can see the book ID, book name, author name, year of publish, publisher, and you can give the ratings for it. So now let me show you with the other books that is already available. So now you can see the book ID, book name, author, year of publisher, all user ratings, and you can give your ratings here. So you can just go to the search book and you can select the ISBN number and you can see the all the details of it. So now let me give, I'll just select this book and click search. So now I'll just give a rating for this book. So now let me give your rating. So now let me give the rating as 5 for this book and submit it. So now immediately after giving the rating, let me go to the recommendation part. So here in the recommendation part, you can recommend to friends. So first let me select the book which I wanted to recommend to my friend. I'll just select the first ISBN number which I have given the rating now and click submit. So now immediately you can see the book ID, book name, author, year of publisher, and you can see the list of users were available in the system to whom you wanted to give. So this user is JP, so JP is going to give recommendation to Alice. So let me give Alice, and here the user can personalize the message you can send. So this is a very good book, it can learn it. So this kind of commands can be added in it and click submit. So now you can see the message is submitted successfully. So now let me log out from this part. I'll go to the Alice login now. So JP has given a recommendation to Alice. So now if you go to the Alice login and go to your recommendation, you can see the final menu, your recommendation. Just select this your recommendation. So here you can see the recommendation is given by the user JP. It is recommended to the user Alice. What is the book ID, that is the ISBN number of the book, what is the book title, and here if they click the view more option, they can see the details of the book and also what the message that the user JP has given to this user is also shown here. So in this way the recommendation works. Let me log out. Now I'll just log in into another user. For example, I'll just log in into the user called Ajit now. So I'll just go to the search books option. I'll just select this book and search it. So now let me give the rating for this book as 4 and submit it. Immediately I'll go to the recommendation part. I'll just select the book ID and submit. I'll just recommend to this book to JP user. Read this book to learn Java. It's very easy to learn Java. So let me submit it. So now the message is submitted successfully. Let me log out. Now I'll just log in into the JP user because Ajit has given some recommendation. So now we have already seen the view friend request part, view request part, search books part, recommendation part, and finally your recommendation. Here you can see the recommendation given by the user Ajit to recommendation to JP with the book ID, that is ISBN number, with the book title, and you can just click view more and you can see the information provided by the user and also the books information. So now let me log out from the user part. I'll go to the admin part. So in the admin part we have already seen the details of user details. Here all the user details whichever created has been shown, and here you can see the book details. And now coming to the user ratings. So in the user ratings now JP has given a rating and Ajit has given a rating for this book that is been shown here. So here what all the ratings given by the user and recommended, not only giving the rating, after giving the rating they should recommend it. So only after that it will be updated here. If they give only the rating, it will not be shown here. It will just show only the information that is given by the recommendation part. And finally comes the graph part. So just So in the graph part you can see the book ratings visualization. So here you can see the ISBN number, book ID and the ratings provided for that. It is being shown, and kindly note this is a dynamic one, this is not a static one. So now you can see there is 3 books rating, so there is no book rating available for this book. I'll just give this and show you for the dynamic purpose. So just let me log out from this part. I'll go to the user login. I will go to the user now, Bob. I'll just log in with the Bob account. I'll just go to search books. I'll just select this book. So now you can see the book ID, book name Python crash course. I'll just give rating for it and submit. I'll just go to the recommendation part. I'll just select the book again. I'll submit it. I'll just recommend to Ajit user, learn for your interview and submit. So now let me log out. I'll go to the admin part now. I just log in into the admin credentials. So now in the graph part you can see the book ID ISBN number is added here with the rating 5 which I have given. So in this way you can add any number of books on the rating, so the graph will be dynamically update here. So for this purpose you need required active internet connection. And now let me log out from this part. So now finally let us move to the frequently asked questions for this project. So the first question is, what is the purpose of online book recommendation system? So the main purpose of this online book recommendation system is designed to help users to discover books and get the recommendations from their friends, so that the social networking feature also allowing the user to search for the books and also learn more about the books and getting recommendation through their networks. What technologies are used to develop this system? So we have used Java, JSP CSS, JavaScript, database MySQL. Next question, how does the book recommendation feature work? So user can rate the books and they can recommend them to the friends. So select the user list and they can choose the book and they can add a personal command on it. So the friends can view the recommendation details and decide to whether to read the book or not accordingly. What are the main features available for the user part? So user part has the friend request management, search book, rate book, recommend books, and they can view the recommendation that is received from their friends. Next question, how does the admin manage the system? The overall control of the system is being given to the admin with the user management, book management, user rating management, and the graphical analysis. How are the book details stored and retrieved? So we have used MySQL database so that you can add any number of books with the book ID, that is ISBN number, title of the book, author of the book, year of publication, and the publisher. So based on the ISBN number, the books are retrieved and stored dynamically. So the next question is, there a way to visualize book ratings? Yes, we have given an option of graphical representation of the ratings that is received from the user. So next question, can user give multiple book recommendation? Yes, user can give any number of book recommendation to their friends. There is no any limitations in it. How secure is user data in the system? So the system ensures secure authentication, requiring user to register and then log in before accessing the platform. Final question, what is the uniqueness about the proposed system? So basically the uniqueness here is like we are blending the technology with the social interaction, the online book recommendation system into the online social network, so that the books can be discovered and they can be shared with the friends, which creates a community-driven approach for reading, making the book recommendation more reliable, engaging, and user-friendly. And this is all about the project online book recommendation system using Java, and thank you for watching.